also killed. So hemoglobin comes down, the WBC fighting force of the body, it also comes down. And for that reason, there is a gap so as to normal cells should revive to come back to a normal position. Because in the cancer cells, the chemotherapy is, although it is not selective, not only kills cancer cells, but majority of the cancer cells are killed. And that is what is majority, how many cells are killed. So that is called in a mathematical language as a log kill. That means if there are cells of 10 raised to 11, that means the weight is 10 gram, then it will reduce to 10 raised to 9, it will come to 1 gram after the chemotherapy. But those are 10 raised to 9 cells. Again you kill those, give chemotherapy, it will come to 10 raised to 7. For example, means 1 and 7 zeros. Then 2 zeros are reduced. And a simple way of for understanding of any layperson, there were 9 zeros or 10 zeros, 11 zeros, right? The 11 zeros, 2 zeros are reduced, 10 is to 9. Next will be 7 are there. Then again give the treatment, only 5 zeros are there. Again give treatment, 3 zeros are there. Again give treatment, only 1 cell will remain. But this is, we are presuming that no cancer cell is allowed to multiply, which is unlikely, which is not true. And that is why cancer cells are also multiplying. And so overall, the entire cell to kill at one go is very, very difficult or rather impossible. Now this is the last slide. This slide is very interesting slide. See, in case of lung cancers, what last slide. So basically, an interesting part is about, let us take only one example, and that is the last slide, is about the lung cancer. In a case of lung cancers, there will be a cancer to detect how much time it is required. When the lung cancer is detected, actually there are 8 years pass. We feel that early detection. But this earliest detection, the single cancer cells, right? After doing a 30 doublings, that means it will come to a stage of 1 and then 9 zeros. 1 gram of, right? 1 gram concept. But for that to develop, it's not that like a bacteria, within 24 hours, the milk will turn into curd. It is not that way. It takes time. And that time is 8 long years. Now let us understand, if the patient comes with that initial tumor, and if it is fortunate for him to detect the earliest cancer, but is it really earliest? No. Because 8 years means so many months, so many days, so many hours, so many minutes and seconds, the cancer cells got opportunity from here to spread anywhere in the body and make the secondaries or metastasis. And that is the dangerous. One report about a cancer is, it is said that if the secondaries are controlled, the 90% of the cancer problems could be controlled without any problem. So ideally, the all research is focused on how to control these secondaries. The cancer should not be allowed. But is it ever possible? I can't start from tomorrow to take the cancer treatment thinking that there may be some cells. It is not possible. So main thing is, after detection, see these 30 doublings are there. After that, there are 3.25 mathematically doublings. That time, it becomes 10 gram. Try to understand, when it is a 30 doublings are there. 30 times cancer will try to multiply. The tumor which is there is just 1 gram, but it requires only 3 more doublings. 3.25 means roughly 3 doublings. 3 doublings for becoming 10 gram. Because all cells are going to multiply. All that 1 gram, 1 gram, 1 gram will do 10 gram, which will take just a time of 3 doublings. Will take a time of, suppose if we say 30 days are required for that particular doubling and 8 years for that 30 doubling, then 10 doubling means naturally it will be a very less time. And ultimately 6.75 doubling will kill the cancer patient, lung cancer. Because these 10, 3.25 plus 6.75 is 10. So these 10 doublings is killing the cancer patient, whereas 30 doublings remain unnoticed. So ultimately the message is you have to control the different carcinogens. Especially there are the country like ours where there is tobacco, chewing, pan, tobacco, and other things are also there like gutka. So these are very harmful for the body. Then you may ask me, how do you say that it is harmful? Is there any proof that it is really harmful compared to the entire world and India? There is a proof, because in India, the cancers which are caused in the oral cavity are 40% of the cancers are oral cavity, whereas in US, the oral cavity cancer are 4%. This is epidemiology, geographical difference. Why this geographical difference? Then we have to think, yes, this geographical difference is there because of